In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur your video background like this. As you can see, this is my living room. So I'm going to teach you in this video how to blur your video backgrounds like this on CapCut for free, just with your mobile. So before you do that, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on our future videos. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to CapCut and you click on the plus sign, new videos. Then select the video you want to blur. Then allow it to load. Click on the video and duplicate it. So the next thing you need to do is to click on the second video and you click overlay. Then drag the overlay to the beginning of the first video. Then click on the first video, then you click on effects. Then under effect, you will see video effects. Click on video effects. Click on the search bar and type blur. You can go ahead and pick the first one there just to blur the first video. Now go ahead and reduce the volume of the first video so that the sound won't affect the overlay video. Then click on the overlay and scroll the toolbar until you see remove BG. Now under remove BG, click on custom remover. In custom remover, you click on brush. Don't click on quick brush because we are trying to do this for free. Now I will go ahead and click on brush. Since I want to remove my background, what I will do is just to mark only my body and my face so my background will be out. So you go ahead and use the brush to mark your body or any object you want to keep in the video. Just mark every corners of it. Allow CapCut to remove the background. So this usually takes some time to apply. Once it is done, this should be your results. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur your video background like this. As you can see, this is my living room. So I'm going to teach you in this video. If you find value in this video, do well to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on our future videos. Thank you.